Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages made easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And like last week, no changes to the interest rates that I shared with you. So we're all waiting now for the OCR announcement on Wednesday the 20th of August from the Reserve Bank to see if they're going to cut the OCR. There is a bit of a chorus now saying that they're expecting that the OCR will be cut by 0.25, either in this one in August or in October. So I like the way how some people are hedging their bets, saying if it's not this one, it'll be the next one. Some people are also saying that there could be a cut now on the 20th of August and then again on the 8th of October. So like usual, guys, I'll give you that live when it happens. So the arguments are that even though inflation is still high, the unemployment data that came out yesterday is not good, and it shows that the economy is struggling and that the Reserve Bank needs to cut interest rates further to help monetary policy stimulate the economy. It's already at 3.25, so cutting it to 3% and then maybe even lower, I don't think it's going to make that much difference in terms of the fixed rates, but every bit counts at this stage. So we'll see what happens. I was reading in a press release that the Reserve Bank did do the other day, and they were saying that for all the loans that were that settled in June, I think it was 24% of them were floating, 8% were fixed for 6 months, and 39% for 1 year. And just to finish that off, 11% for 18 months, 11% for 2 years, and the rest beyond that. So what's that? You're looking at about, well over nearly 70% of all loans from June were fixed for a year or less, all on floating. So a lot of people feel like that there's a lot more rate cuts to happen. So let's see what happens. But the sad news behind all this is that our economy in New Zealand is struggling. So that's why the Reserve Bank will need to cut the rates, which isn't good really, because we want our economy to be thriving so we can all be prosperous and going ahead. So we'll see what happens over the coming weeks, and like I say, I'll give that to you guys live on the 20th of August. In terms of banks and clients putting in offers, we've had another busy week, so that's good. Clients putting in offers, we'll hear if some of them get their offers that were put in today, some are putting in offers tomorrow, so it's busy. We are still seeing new clients coming in wanting to get pre-approved to buy over spring or summer, so that's good. Banks are still horrendously taking a horrendous long time to get to new applications. It's about 10 working days. 7 to 10 working days across most of the major banks, and then when they get to them, usually we're getting them pre-approved as they are, especially for our PAYE salary and wage earners, but for some of our self-employed income, the business banking guys do come back with a few more questions, so it can take a little bit longer, but we are getting them pre-approved. So that's good, because we're building up a good lot of potential buyers in the coming months to be out there to buy as new listings come on. So if that sounds like you and you want to know more, feel free to get in touch. We'll be love to help you out and get you pre-approved. Equally, if you've got a mortgage that's coming up for refixing over the next few weeks, also love to help you out as well. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to leave it there. Ka kite, God bless. And who knows, we may have a fun video for you tomorrow afternoon. Cheers now.